Oh, I didn't even notice where the line was. Yeah, it says somewhere on the bridge. Yeah. We just walked over it probably. So there's Nevada time. Yeah, guess that's right. Over there? Yeah, that's probably how high it was where that line. These walkways here. Yeah, because I remember seeing like a video or like a picture or something, and it's like right there.
You could get in and swim around.
It'd be pretty terrible.
Suck to the wall.
It was like, oh, okay.
Very cool. Switch this around. Switch.
Alright.
Okay, so we're switched around. So it is, what is it? March 23rd.
It's March 23rd, 2021. And it is Crystal's birthday today.
And
happy birthday, Crystal. Happy birthday, Odette.
And we're here at the Hoover Dam. Amazing.
Yes.
And we're wearing masks because it is the year of the COVID. Pretty good. So you can have this mustache at this age.
I am 27 years old.
I am 30 years old. This mustache and this hair. Terrible hair. Very cool hair. It is good to have a time that way we can look back on it. Or to the angel statues.
Yeah.
Ah, there they are.
Okay.
Ah, I see no.
We're done.
Ah, that is crazy.
And me too.
Hmm?
Still recording?
Yeah. Why?
You were the guy?
No.
Oh, I'm thankful you're walking behind me so you can get a free show of these cheeks.
Wow. My cheek show is obscured by your vest.
So